Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to my home. Come on in. Now, my wife and I just moved in. We're actually still in the process of moving, so there's a lot of stuff in our old house that we're still hauling over. So don't mind if things are a little out of place or just the fact that my house is still a little empty. But first stop, let me show you guys my workspace. This, of course, is where I spend a majority of my time coming up with all my ideas for my videos. This is where I edit and also where I work on other businesses of mine like Shavu, my hair brand. And there's the pup, Emma Bean, who's always by my side. All right, now moving on, that's just the garage. This is the closet. Right here we got the laundry room, which ain't none of you guys need to see my dirty laundry. And this is the guest room that's not even put together yet. It's a complete disaster, so hey, we'll skip all that. Let's head to the bathroom. This is the bathroom where I've been recording my grooming videos. My wife and I both got a thing for candles. And hey, only the serious ones know about this. This is a stuffed gnome my wife got me. Of course, got myself stocked up on some Shavu showering essentials. Now, my favorite thing about the living room is probably this TV right here. I'm not a huge gamer or anything, but my wife and I, we love watching movies and TV shows. And me personally, I've never had a TV quite this large, so this is like a complete luxury for me. Now, before we move on, I do want to give a quick shout out to today's sponsor who made this video happen and who gifted me with this dope outfit as you see here, and that's Lululemon. Honestly, this fit, it looks professional, it looks dressy, and it is, but it's about as comfortable as some pajamas, which is why I have it on. Honestly, as far as quality goes, Lululemon is on one right now. I was just telling my dad yesterday, these pieces are the best quality clothing I've personally ever had. They're stretchy and soft, yet the fabric is very durable. And another reason why I decided to work with Lululemon is because my theme, I guess you could say, in my house is calm and minimal. Look, I don't have much decor in my house, I don't have much clutter, and the reason behind this is because hey, you're a product of your environment, right? So keeping things clean and less cluttered helps keep my mind less cluttered as well and more focused on the projects I need to get done on a day-to-day basis. And so Lululemon has got the same objective, but with their clothing. I mean, yeah, they're crazy comfortable, these pieces, but they also help you feel empowered and focused. And though I mostly work from home, hey, with the amount of work I have, this is a necessity for me. And because Lululemon's pieces are very minimal and comfy, anyone can rock these pieces no matter what style they wear or, whatever activity they like doing. Whether you're a businessman or if you like to work out or just chill on the couch even. I mean, these pieces are uniquely made for every person and every occasion. So keep that in mind for the holidays if you want to gift a special friend with some quality pieces, or hey, even if you want to gift yourself. Sometimes you gotta celebrate you, right? With that said, I did provide some links of these pieces down in the description below if you guys wanna go ahead and check these specific pieces out. They also provide free shipping and free returns, contactless pickup at their local stores, and complimentary hemming, just to make sure that your pieces fit you just right. I mean, who does that? So hey, if you're interested in this and you want to get some Lululemon gear, be sure to make your order by December 21st, so that way you get it just in time for Christmas. And hey, this fireplace is pretty lit too, no pun intended. This is an electric fireplace. Never had one of these before, but I really feel like it ties in the whole living room and kind of gives it a nice homey vibe. And hey, as you can see, we got the Christmas tree just put up. My wife has kind of been decorating the house, incorporating that Christmas spirit. She's also been putting together some kind of cute little DIY type Christmassy winter stuff. She's always real good at that. All right, now over here is where I like to practice making babies. This is the master. We recently were gifted with a king-sized Helix mattress, which was a serious game changer for us, as well as this automatic voice activating door. No, I'm just kidding. In the back, we got this secret little shower that's pretty nice, and these toilets right here, my dude, hey, these go hard. All right, now over here is the kitchen. This is where we be getting them gains. Now this right here is where we throw down. My wife, she's a crazy good cook, so she's always whipping up something delicious. I'm a snack guy, so I'm constantly snacking all day long. This is our dining room table that we just got in. Got it for a really good price on Amazon, actually. Now let's head to the back, which is probably my favorite thing about this little house. So when it's not too cold, I like to spend my mornings back here, maybe read a devotion on my phone, pray a little bit, watch some self-help videos, or maybe even meditate for a minute or two, as cheesy as it sounds. But the cool thing about where I live is the views, my dude. The views are gorgeous. Makes you feel like you're on top of the world or something. It's a blessing. So that is it, guys. That is my home. It's pretty simple, pretty minimal. I know it's probably not as extravagant as some of your other favorite YouTubers that you watch out there, but hey, it's my home and I love it. I'm blessed. I'm blessed beyond all measure. You know, I love it here. I love how small it is, how homey it is. I love the location of this home. I love the fact that I get to spend every day here with my wife and with my little puppy. Hey, I've got it made. I've got it made. My cup constantly overflows. I'm blessed. I'm grateful. Hey, God has honestly blessed me beyond anything I could have ever hoped or dreamed for myself. And I wouldn't have it any other way. So with that said, hope you guys dug the video, and I'll see you next time. My name is Dre Drexler. Peace always.